Hello, beautiful people. Happy Halloween! But today we're not talking Halloween, actually. We're already into Christmas. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Trina, your scent gourmand. And the scent of the day today is Gris Montagnier, which I recently did a video about. This was a problematic bottle when I first got it. I'll post that up here. Delicious, fresh, great for the office, and that's where I'm heading after this video. But before I do that, I wanted to share with you something non-scent related. It is my ASOS Advent Calendar box. These Advent calendars, personally, I find them just a simple marketing tool to get you to consume more. I'm a great consumer, but I'm trying to control myself. But the reason I like to buy these Advent calendars or other such melange, like groupings of products, half of which you never use, is indeed because half of which I never use. I have students, female students here in Japan, who love all products, you know, beauty related products that are foreign, and they might not be familiar with a lot of the brands that you get in these packages, and they are thrilled when I pass them these gifts at the end of the semester, which is just after Christmas actually. So fortunately with ASOS, they don't package their goods in a very Christmassy sort of way, so I can pawn them off. I don't want to say pawn them off because I did buy this with the intent of giving it to them. I'm estimating, let's have a guess here, that 50% of the stuff here I will enjoy and use myself. Obviously, I'm no beauty product expert, but I just wanted to share with you what I got in the box and from my immediate impression, if I'm going to keep it for my own use or re-gift it. Number one is a lipstick from MAC. Ah, yes, and MAC is my favorite lipstick brand, but I do like the frosts and a limited number of creams. And this one is Velvet Teddy. I've had this one before. It's too brown for me, so I will be re-gifting this one for sure. Number two is a Pro Collagen Night Cream, anti-wrinkle rehydrating night cream. I have enough night cream at the moment, so this one too is going to be off to a lucky student. Number three, let's get to this one. Nice leopardy box. Number three is a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I love these small trial size mascaras because mascara only lasts 6 months once you open it. I figure it's much safer to go with a smaller bottle. Also, it's better for traveling, smaller size. So yes, I'll be keeping that. Okay, now we have this roller thingy from Psychic Sisters. No. I don't see the benefit of this, and even if there were a benefit, I don't see me ever sitting down and rolling my skin. No, I don't see myself using my time that way. Number five, In Transit Camera Close-Up. Be ready for that close-up in seconds with a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. Okay, that could be useful. Love the branding for this. This works. However, I already have 2 primer type products and finishing sprays and that kind of thing, and I don't use them that much. This is a maybe. Might go to a student, might not. I don't see any of my students using this kind of product either, to be honest though, so perhaps I'll keep it. Number 6 is a Paw It Does It All 7-in-1 hair treatment style. Yes, definitely keeping this because A, my hair is dry and nasty and it needs all the help it can get, and B, I like this brand Paw. Keep her. Number 7 is this Oskia mask, which I am definitely keeping. Absolutely. I had this in the Look Fantastic box, I think in 2019, where I had that series of boxes. I can link that up here if you want to see them, but they're not very good, I'll be honest. But I did do that for a few videos. And this stuff, okay, how can I explain this stuff? It's so luxurious. It goes on so smooth, and it's just as effective as, hold on. If you haven't heard of this product, I highly recommend it. It is very cheap and very effective. The only problem is it comes in powder form and you have to mix it up and it gets all clumpy. It's not a very sort of pleasant experience to prepare and put on even. But my goodness, you put it on, it scrunches up and you can feel your blood pulsating and it takes out all the impurities. This stuff is fantastic. So would I buy this stuff? Probably not, because it's very expensive. It is very luxurious though. I'll probably end up getting this stuff because it's just more value. However, this is beautiful and I'm delighted to get it in a package like this. looking forward to using it. Okay, number 8 is the Carmex Moisturizing Lip Balm. I love this brand. I grew up with it, and this is cherry flavor. I can't help but keep it. Okay, number 9, we got this in last year's package too. Scrunchy things that you put on your hair, and I probably have enough of these, so I'm gonna pass them on. Number 10, we have some Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. Okay, I'll keep it. I'll use it for travel. Okay, number 11 now. We have some blush from Sleek. So Sleek is an affordable brand, and I love this packaging. Nice and sleek and small. Sleek, haha. I would love to love this, but unfortunately the color leans a little too brown for me, a little bit orangey on my skin tone. So I will be re-gifting this one, which is a shame because I love the weight of the package. Yeah, that's too bad. Number 12, we have Brazilian Bum Gum. I've reviewed the perfume and this product too, actually, on my channel a little while ago. Love it, keeping it. Sorry, students. Number 13. Lucky number 13. Okay, we have a product I'm not familiar with here. It's a facial oil, strawberry seed oil. And I don't only use these kind of oils on my face, I use them on my body, which tends to be a little bit dry. Doesn't really smell of anything, there's no fragrance, but it feels nice. Okay, I'm keeping it. Number 14. Oh, we have some skincare facial spray with aloe adaptogens and coconut water. I'm going to re-gift this. Okay, 15, we have some nail art stickers. Definitely gonna pass that on to a student. Okay, number 19, we have some e.l.f. brand lip pumping gloss. Okay, so e.l.f. is a pretty respectable brand. They're pretty affordable and they're pretty good, and they're vegan. But unfortunately, there's no color in here. I tend to like color on the lip products I use, so I'm gonna re-gift this one. 16, what do we have for 16? 16 is a facial mask. So I tend to use just that clay mask stuff. I'm probably not going to use this. Students in Asia tend to like this, and I will give it to them. Number 17, what do we have here? Looks like another mask. Mask Bar Brightening Sheet Mask with Vitamin C. Again, gifting time. A moisturizing hair mask. This is something I will keep because my hair is nasty and it's very hydrating and bonding. Perfect. Number 20, Feels Heavy. Iconic London. Okay, so this is a brand I was introduced to last year with ASOS, but I ended up passing it on, and I think I'm gonna pass on this as well. It is a palette. I think I already have enough such products in my collection. Very shiny highlighting palette. The inside is also very glittery. So I already have a couple of these types of things. I'm gonna pass this on to a student who will love it. Okay, number 21, we have, ooh, Rituals. Kind of like this brand, they have nice creams. And this is a Ritual of Sakura. Sakura. I'm not a fan of cherry blossom, funnily enough, because I love the scent of cherries. So overdone here in Japan, obviously, you know, home of the Sakura. And I just don't care for the smell that much. What can I say? We're gonna recycle this one. Or a re-gift, as we say. Number 22 is, ooh, Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Not heard of this brand before. Looks very organic sort of thing. Yeah, it's plant-based, no GMOs, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, soy, women-owned, small batch made. Ooh, all the good things. Oh, and I like the smell of this one. It's almost got a chocolatey essence to it. Oh, keeping that for sure. Number 23. Ooh, Feels Heavy. Yes, my friends, it is a candle from Neon. Definitely going to keep this. Ooh, chamomile, ylang ylang, and cedarwood. Winner. 24, heading to the end here. 24 is a Charlotte Tilbury product. Her products are expensive, so I'm not surprised this is at the end. I think it was at the very end last year. And this one we have is a Collagen Superfusion Facial Oil. Very tiny package here. I'm keeping this for sure. I'm gonna use it for travel, miniature size, great for on the road. Can't speak to the efficacy of any of these products, to be honest, other than the Brazilian bum cream, which I love, and again, this face mask, which is absolutely fantastic. Oh, and yes, the Carmex, I mean, that stuff works too. Okay, it's product number 25, and this is a big one. Ooh, look at this. Matches the container, the giant bag that it came with. And by the way, these giant bags, they're just a branding opportunity for the company, but this is great for the beach, great for the gym, great for slogging around books and that kind of thing. But I have enough of these, so I'm gonna also gift this to a student. Okay, so what do we have in here? Ooh, looks like a whole bunch of products from Revolution. So Revolution is a more affordable makeup brand, and the thing about palettes and makeup in general, I feel, is that the makeup that you get in any price range, I mean, you can get really good stuff for a really cheap price. Like e.l.f. is a good example. I found some wonderful products from e.l.f. Also cheapy stuff too, but at the higher end you can also get some duds. So for me, it's all about the branding, of course, the brand. If you're gonna get Dior, it's gonna be more expensive, but also about the packaging. So this Revolution brand, it's got a very cheap plastic packaging. And for me, this sort of stuff, like I need a mirror. If I'm gonna have a palette, I need a mirror in my palette. Oh, I just broke that. That wasn't very smart. Yeah, what was it? What's the other brand I tried? Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild. They had a great palette. The quality was fantastic, but the packaging eventually broke apart, and because there wasn't a mirror, I found myself not using it. Same with this stuff. Like, I'm sure this is great translucent powder for baking. I want to keep this because I do need baking powder, but I know this is just going to get messy and all over the place. I need something that's going to work for me better. So we also have an extra hold brow glue here, which I know I'm not going to use. We also have a Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray. I already have one of these, I'm not gonna use it. And we have a super dewy liquid highlighter illuminator. Already have a highlighter, not gonna use it. This is gonna be a little gift package for a student for sure. Quality of the actual stuff inside the packaging with the lower end brands is generally not bad a lot of the time. It's so cheap because of the packaging and the presentation, I feel. So, if your budget is lower, you can still get good quality products. You just have to endure the packaging flaws, and some of them are flaws, like in the palette. Anyway, this is going to be loved by one of my students for sure, so happy to gift this and happy to share all these goodies with you from ASOS. ASOS is a brand that I continually go to despite it being fast fashion because it has free international shipping. I'm sorry, but that trumps everything in the long run, because shipping for me living in Japan doubles the cost of everything, especially in this day and age where shipping costs so much, And of course, when the Japanese yen is very low in value at the moment. So my guess was right, by the way. 12 of these products I will be regifting, and I guess 13 of them I am keeping. Hope you enjoy your Halloween and hope you can prepare in advance for Christmas, as I am doing, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah.